to New York.
You guys, we're here at Love Park, okay? Just Salute Festival. We about to start. Are we about to start? We about to get it popping? Okay, yeah, we're about to get it popping today. It is a gorgeous Saturday. They said it was gonna rain, but it's not raining. So we're gonna make sure that everybody gets a chance to come on stage and perform and does a great job. Because look at this.
Girls, do you believe? Are you a believer?
Yeah.
Can I believe?
I believe.
Alright.
You ready to get this party started?
Hey. Hit one of these. I see a couple of old heads out here. I see. You mean? Alright.
It is what it is and it ain't what it ain't. Yeah, please get the heck out my face. Wait, I got a lot in the tank. Look like I just got no rhyme in the bank.
I've been worried about a bag, I'm about a check. I've been building up the stash, take away my stress. I've been grinding like it's rag in the streets, like I say. Harvest money trees in the fall, so I keep a break. Only keep the cash, this is the beat stacking cake. Paying like the scavengers in my circle on my plate.
One red ticket to get you a black bag, and not just the ones that the school shooters use.
Yo.
Oh, you felt offended by that? I understand. I don't want to cause too much chaos unless y'all are tuning in.
Alright, so the raffle tickets will be going around. Go and find the raffle ball and you'll get some raffle tickets to get this real cute bag, okay? Because otherwise I'm going home with all that.
Y'all ready for some music? Y'all ready for some fashion? You say, yeah, let me know who you are. That's what I'm talking about.
You can catch me at Foxy Roxy on Instagram, Foxy Roxy Model Life, or you can catch me on Facebook, Roxanne Conti, or you can call up at 215-668-0241, or you can email me at drroxanne55@gmail.com.
Y'all seen it, right? She also is a doctor. So she can save a couple of y'all lives as long as y'all coin is right.
Take a deep breath in. Hold. And release. All right.
20 seconds. All right. What makes you a believer?
Because of a talent that I've been singing since 3 years old and want to do it professionally. And we got one of the singers just gave Daniel and I our chances.
Hey, okay, you want to let everybody know who you are?
James McQueen.
What makes you guys a believer?
Just passion and motivation.
I love that.
How about you?
It's the same, passion and motivation.
And what are your names?
Melissa,
Samuel? Alright, give it up for Melissa and Samuel.
Do you believe? Do you believe in everything you can do and be and see? Do you understand that people are against you all the time? They try to act like you're not divine. Try to push you down and put you down because they don't really know that they just gotta shine. Do you believe?
She just said she was giving some money. She walked away. Let's go get her. I'm just joking. Let me not start a ride. All right? Hey. Not too much? It's the same?
Try that stuff at home now. Try it on top of the roof. Especially you people past 50.
Okay, but my name is Happy Feet Zoom. I bring that crazy, wild, fun excitement. I'm about keeping everything lit. All beats, fast feet.
Rose. Yeah. Sometimes I wanna live life through another lens. I feel the mic is my only friend. Yeah, I feel I'll be alone when the world ends. I guess won't we all when it all falls? Sometimes I wanna live life through another lens. I feel the mic is my only friend. Yeah, I feel I'll be alone when the world ends. I guess won't we all when it all falls? All those thoughts in my brain from ways back in the day, they were anger and pain, but now they manifested. They flipped, turning to arrange themselves in such a way I felt so amazed at what my past self had written for me. My goals, they just ain't working for me. I was so small-minded, now I want way more than glory. I want the world and everything that comes with it. Got the driver on passenger full speed, lane switch in first place. Ricky Bobby winning more than Lane Kiffin. I want a girl I can give good. No Scotty Pippen, plus I'm ballin', need a handful of rings. I'm talking Guinness, I'm a Guinness, Mike. Yeah, I feel I'll be alone when the world ends. I guess won't we all when it all falls?
Yo, how y'all doing? I'm Chrissy, aka Chris Styles Closet. Y'all can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Chris_Styles_Closet. CHRISTYLES_closet.
All right, any believers out there once again? All right, I had to make sure y'all still believe in me. Come on, I ain't fall, I ain't jump. No. All right. The number of the ticket who won is 09543 9. Hey, give a round of applause, Mike. Good. Hold on. We're gonna check it. Hey!
Applause. Round of applause.
Just rude.
I love you, JB.
A little bit of love.
Yeah.
I love
Diamonds on my wrist, they can't stop watching. Everything they
Okay.
I heard it was supposed to rain today. You know who brought the sun out?
do.
I think they did. So let me hear it. Are you ready? Let's get it. All right. So we have something else in the story. I heard. What's next?
One, I want y'all to pull out your cash apps and type it hashtag, well, not hashtag, $, Go Believe, GOBELEAS, Eagles, no, I'm just playing.
Let's go, Birds!
Go Believe Cash App. Just know we are a non-profit just to keep the shows free for RSVP. Once again, that's Go Believe on Cash App. Also, www.gobelieveculture.org. Now, I see y'all. When y'all come, I'm gonna need y'all to find somebody with a badge. This is one of the golden tickets, or at least the golden gate to the entries. Find somebody with a bag. I'm gonna need y'all to scan this QR code. It's real nice. It takes 30 seconds. Switch. Free with RSVP. I need everybody to sign up. Come get your free snacks, free waters, rap snacks, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Remember, hashtag TTOT podcast everywhere. All right. Now, we try to beat the rain. So we got 20 seconds. All right. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Just a little bit back, just a little bit. Hey! You want to let me know who you are? Never mind, he said we out.
Of course, I need to bring some Latino flavor, you know, sabor.
Yeah, whoa! Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
Steve, everybody say just believe. Awesome.
Say hashtag TTOT.
Well, listen, we've got to do this. Let me hear you all say, E-L-G-L-E.